let's look at what we have for today from your technical drawing teacher. So today we will look at division of lines into given proportions and ratios. In our last meeting or in our last video, we talked about how we can divide lines into equal parts. But today's video, we will look at how we divide a given line into proportions and ratios. If the question says that you should divide a particular line, a given line, let's say 30 mm into a given ratio, say 2:1 or 1:2. How are we going to do that? Wonderful. I hope you have picked your instrument, everything. So let's work and practice together. Don't just watch and practice as well. So now, first of all, let's draw our given line. Wonderful. I hope you have done yours. So in this case, we are saying that our given line is 50 mm. So with the help of your ruler and your compass, measure 50 mm on your ruler. If your ruler measures cm, if it measures in cm, then yours will be 5 cm. Wonderful. As you are doing, keep on practicing. So I will place my sticker here. I will place my sticker here to enable me draw. I don't want the compass to slip. The last time someone called me that he has ordered or informed the mother to buy him plasters so that he can use the plasters on the paper. Please don't use plasters on your paper. I use stickers on the board because the compass was slipped. So now we have measured our 50 mm or 5 cm. So with the help of my compass, I have an arc like this. Then another one. Another one as this. Very good. I hope you have done it as well. So now we have PQ. So meaning from this side to this side is our 50 mm or 5 cm. So that is the given line PQ. It's in line PQ na wajima here na wasi 5 cm and then the 50 centimeters 50 millimeters only from P elokakio. Messi the abayen the abafa ruler no ne esusu 5 cm. So what then measures in cm? Ebesusu 5 cm. If it is mm, then you measure 50. Inti ebegina fa ha na etwa arc. Na asanso abafa ha no na ebetwa arc. Inti ye wi a yese aha ye p. Aha aya q. Memeze ni ye PQ. Inti also elusian so ebetuma use letter for. Inti every ha aleba ha no is the 50 mm. Now let's go back to our question. It says we should divide the given lines into proportions and what? Ratios. So assuming in this case, the question is saying we should divide it into a ratio of 2:3. So in this case, we are using a ratio of 2:3. So in our previous discussion, we talked about how we can divide a line into equal parts. So we shall go by the same method. So we have, with the help of your ruler, have another line like this. So as I said earlier, the angle from here to this side should be less than 90. Inti say yadi protractor no to ho na yesusu. If you had the bahano, angle should be less than what? 90 degrees. Okay. Into the hair so you're going to be a friend out. The question says the ratio is 2:3. So if it is 2:3 there, meaning you will have it as 2 plus what? 3. And 2 plus 3 is giving us what? Our wonderful viewers. Okay. So I hope you are saying 5 in your homes. So it is giving us 5. So meaning we have to divide line PQ into 5 equal what? Parts. Very good. Now let's go by the same procedure. So please, learners, don't divide line PQ, but rather let's divide line PR. So be open to any convenient radius. Then we begin to divide line PR into 5, as others will say steps. Okay, so let's have our divisions done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. Please, with the baseline, don't measure. I will don't measure. So at this point, once again, just we did in our previous discussion, you use the 2 set squares. I told you you can use your ruler, but preferably use the 2 set squares. So let the 45 degree set square be at the bottom, whilst the 30-60 set square be on top. So now let's join the last point of PR to K. So you do it this way. Don't just do it. You just watch and practice as well. So this way, you join it. You join the last point to meet this one. Very good. So we are not done. Let's continue. So with the 45 degree set square, place at the base. You press it very firmly into a bending. Then you begin to push it forward. Continue pushing it until every day here you can no longer go. Then you push the base one a little, but make sure it is in line with the one you have constructed previously. Wonderful, viewers. We have been able to divide the line PR into 5 equal parts. So we have 0 here. Here becomes our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please, you can take your ruler and measure from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 3 to 4, then 4 to 5. You should know that the intervals are all the same. Into the susan, or then who the midnight 10 cm, 10 mm, 10 mm, or 1 cm. It is a susun. Now what the baby susan the baby there, meaning you didn't do it well. Go back and do the right thing. It says here we ask the question says 2:4. So 2:3. Now back to our question. So let's have our line. So we have our line this way. Let's have our line this way. Just on top of what we have done. Very good. So now the question says 2:3. So meaning starting from this side, where we have our zeros, then we count what? 2 or 2 units. So we have 1, 2. So the 2 will fall here. So we have the first side to be our ratio. So meaning here is our 2. Then the next one says 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So meaning it is also here. So here becomes our 3. Wonderful. I hope you are enjoying the lesson in your houses. So we have been able to divide line PQ, which is 50 mm or 5 cm, into the ratio given, which is 2:3. Into the yellow patch line there. So one more baby there. Line attending what more than that. Into a virtual line more pop. Then with the help of your compass and the use of ruler. Your rulers in the Bia Netibia, Obinidi mm, Odusi cm. Into so what the mm, a bus soon 50 mm. So what did you cm and the soon 5 cm. Fair upon a corner, exactly. Enjoy the lesson. Into your begin fan, Naya Aquaha. You lay a send by the other side. Nay, your Aquaha. Into we are maybe my friend in PQ. Into our child, if you have. Bahano, 5 cm or the 50 millimeters. I'm using cm and mm. We send the Obinum Hanu rule and a cm. And she said, "Lady, a cm number 5 cm. Ebiana no so our 50 cm and the very way. Sell us so. And she, we are and the line pro was na line now was in a day. Ojinawala wodo, a better mucha, Amawa bike, I say. Ebotum so etwa amanum amom na ma onye titin there yes say yesusu a if you have alebaha angle na shawon onu de odu 90 degrees nti say abahwe na wode nyanko ne de num ogwe na wode aka atwuma ano nche there wait ne da in there if you have alebaha no ne da angle no so 90 degrees nti wi a yencha aso de ne line ya was PR ano ene yebechem anu na yes say echem anu wi a ana ge say square say bi 45 na 30 no age apo nti ozikan no ebepia na ased no line PR de no again the last point no mo akaka PK nti efiwa ebeso say square ased no dendende na push so de no apo be bi amaka mafe no na rule lines mo wa kwa so Captain the Nala, into a really nala. What's it? The ratio is 2:3. Into 2:3, yeah, come 2 and then 3 will my bay and 5. I don't see and then my yeah, you divide the line and see into 5 equal parts. Into say, yeah, your first ratio here 2. Into if we 0, we alabaha. I'm an ever my hand and the first ratio, which is 2. Then if you actually have a 1, 2, 3. Nature Hansel and my hand, the second ratio, which is 3. Very good. Now take a try work. Marosa wash and good. So your work says divide line CD, and CD is equals to 60 mm into the ratio 4:2. Thank you very much for watching me today. Don't forget to share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.